There shall be free government accommodation center in Metro Manila to accommodate temporarily the people of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao who have personal or governmental purpose in Manila, who have no relatives or friends to stay in Manila, who cannot afford to stay in hotel, boarding house, and lodging house in Manila. The center shall have vehicle to meet and transport the would-be users of the center from the seaport, airport, and bus terminals in Manila and back and transport back the center users to seaport, airport, and bus terminals in Manila. Using the center vehicle, there shall be pick-up points and dropping off points in Metro Manila for the center users. The center shall have staffs that escort and assess the center users of their outside activities in Manila. The center shall have representatives from different government agencies like the OWA or DOLE to assess the problems of the center users.